Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. So in this video, we will share a job openings from Romania. It's a European country. I hope you all know it. So today we'll know what is the job openings from Romania, how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job. All the details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. So this is a multiple vacancies from Romania, urgent requirement for a reputed company for the multiple project in Romania. That means there are many projects from the same company entire the Europe or entire the Romania. So first of all, we need to know what is the staffs or the positions are available right now. Number one, kitchen helpers. So the salary will be 1085 euro. It's a good salary for a kitchen helpers, and I hope if you are belongs to the hotel or cooking professionals, this is a good opportunity for you to build a career in European country. So if you want to apply for the kitchen helpers, then you should have the proper experience in the relevant field, and your salary will be 1085 euro. Assisting to master chef in food preparation, dishwashing, general kitchen duties, ensuring a clean and organized workers in cleanliness environment. So as a kitchen helpers, you should know what is the job profiles and what is the job requirements. Next, housekeeping staff. So if you are belongs to housekeeping professionals and if you have the experience in Gulf country or your own country, this is a good chance. Don't miss it. So as a housekeeping staff, you should have to able to maintain cleanliness and tidiness in hotels, malls, parking area, grocery, residential and commercial spaces by performing cleaning tasks, making beds and ensuring a pleasant and organized environment. So of course, the same will be applied if you want to apply for this housekeeping staff, then you should have the proper capability to maintain this job as per mentioned right here. Next, auto mechanic. To work as an auto mechanic, you should have the proper experience in the relevant field and you should have experience as an auto mechanic minimum 2 to 3 years. Then you can apply for this job. So if you want to apply, then I will share with you at the end of the video how to apply. Next, warehouse workers. If you are having a store manager experience or storekeeper experience or a warehouse managing experience, then this is a good opportunity. You should have knowledge in packing and picking warehouse products. Then you can apply for this job. Next, farmers. If you want to apply for farmers, like in Italy or in Canada, there are seasonal visas for farming workers. So if you want to apply and if you have the previous experience, then you should have the proper experience. Then you can apply for this job. Proven experience in agriculture, responsible for oversee harvest and care for animals and manage various farm activities. Next, construction workers. Salary will be at 1085 euro, and to work as a construction worker, you should have the previous experience in the relevant field. Then you can apply for this job. Then food delivery boy. So to work as a field food delivery boy, you should have the proper skills, proper knowledge, and proper experience to apply for this job. Next, the responsible will be to pick and drop off foods orders from restaurants and customers, making sure the food is delivered on time and good conditions. So as a food delivery boy, this is the main tasks how you can deliver on time and in proper food condition. So this is very important. If you want to apply, then you can apply as soon as possible. So let's focus what is the benefits if you will get this job. If you can get this job, you will have a get benefits like accommodation, transportation provided by the company. If you wish to apply for the desired positions, you can apply at below email address. So guys, this is the official email address. Let me highlight it. So this official email ID you can get from the descriptions below this video. Note it and apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. This is the contact number, and to apply on above vacancy, visit to the websites through which you can get more informations regarding these job openings. So this is the official websites and this is the official email ID. So if you are interested to apply, then you can apply as soon as possible. Let me tell you very simple. It's a urgent vacancies from Romania, and there have kitchen helpers, housekeeper staffs, auto mechanic, warehouse keepers, and farmers, construction workers, food delivery boy, vacancies are there, and if you are interested with your previous experience for any of these positions, you can apply by this official email ID. Your document should be updated with CV and proper certifications, proper experience details, and you have to attach your passport copy and passport photo to the and send it to the given official email ID. Other Also, you can visit to the websites to get more information regarding this job openings. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you. This is the urgent vacancies from Romania. Don't miss this chance. And I hope you understand all the things. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I'll try to give the answer. And my sincere request to share this information to all of your friends and relatives and the candidates who have a dream to move Europe with a job. So I hope this information will be valuable for all of the candidates having a dream to move Europe with a job. So best of luck. Goodbye.